The infrastructure grid integrates perfectly with the ocean current defenses.
And the skyline projection confirms minimal wind resistance at this height.
We have bedrock contact at channel 9. Hold the pressure steady.
Acknowledged. Maintaining pressure.
The structural integrity of the reclaimed land remains the biggest hurdle.
We need to reassess the substance projections near the seawall.
Bring it down easy now. All right, hold it right there. Slack the cables. Looks good. All right, swing it over to position 4. Copy that, swinging now. Make sure the water levels are clear.
Adjusting vector alignment on pile 7. Reading stable.
Confirmed alignment. All clear for full pressure.
Clear the deck below. All right, bring it down slow. Watch the southeast connection. Looks good, lock it in.
Dale, dale, a la izquierda. Aquí, más vibrador. Listo, muévanse.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment.
Clear on this side.
Okay, engage the seal.
Sector 7 is fully connected.
Confirmed. The main highway is clear for activation.
Clear the segment for alignment now.
Confirmed. Lowering the cradle.
Ainge, secure conduit Gamma 7.
Locking it in, Commander. Power flow stabilized.
Drone, move the regulator to platform 9.
Signal synchronization complete. We are green across the grid.
Excellent. Seal it up.
Safety Beacon 7 reports full activation. Drone confirms.
Excellent work, team. Impossible City systems are fully online.
Reroute auxiliary power to Sector Gamma.
Acknowledged. Traffic flow stabilizing in the Central District.
Status stable. Systems nominal.
We need to expedite the Sector 4 transfer immediately. Adjust the drone sequence.
Done. The new trajectory is locked in.
Welcome to the impossible island city, where design transcends gravity and light defines the future of urban living.
The seismic anomaly is spiking near Sector Gamma. Reroute power to the tidal defense grid immediately.